Going through the shower. Never mind. Going through the car wash.
Car wash, it's oil.
Going through this thing. One of them fell. Going through this thing. It broke. It broke.
Is that really the longest train in the world?
Yes. Oh, it broke. Fell off the track. Now it's going through this thing. Okay, end the video, please.
Why?
Now Jalen's turn. Let's welcome Jalen to the stage. Why these trains are terrible on the tracks?
Probably because of that.
First of all, when you're trying to get them to go down a hill. All shit fails. They won't stay on the tracks.
Okay, go down this hill, see if that happens. Well, you gotta put it on the track because you were like this. There we go.
And they still fail. And if you try and make a long train.
I think James has already demonstrated that one.
No, but see, there's other things. They won't fit. And even if they do, how are they supposed to sit together? My point.
Her point.
And what is this supposed to be for?
I think
it's a train track.
To pass the trains through.
Okay, look. If I have a train, what will he do? Ah, I fell.
No, it'll go like this. And you head it backwards. Nicely down. And fall over there.
Where they all fell, basically. And this video is called Train Massacre.
It stayed on.
So this video is basically about how retarded this little train thing is, isn't it?
Watch this, Kate. Believe me. It's down and no glue.
Wait, I need to zoom in. That's amazing.